If a person says he can't do this task, or he says that I can't do it, it means he has got two problems. Either he doesn't know how to do that task, or he doesn't want to complete that task, or doesn't want to do that task. So this is the difference between a successful or an unsuccessful person. What's the difference between a successful or unsuccessful person? Successful person, if says he can't do the task, it means he doesn't know how to do the task and he is lacking any kind of skill. So he wants to upgrade, he wants to learn, and he can do it. But unsuccessful person says he can't do this task and says that he doesn't want to complete this task, doesn't want to learn. It means he doesn't want to upgrade in his life. So the thing is that attitude is everything. You know, most of the people invest in their education and they pay completely their whole money in education. And it is said already 15% is dependent on your smartness and 85% is dependent on your attitude. So if you really are smart and you are investing on your smartness 100% income, it means you are becoming a completely fool, because you are investing on 15% your whole money. And what do people do? Some people who are successful, they work upon their 85% skills, and that is attitude. And attitude is everything. Let me give you an example, because through this example you will learn soon. There was one dog's owner. What he does, he just goes to river with his dog. What he finds, his dog walks on the water. He feels very happy. The quality of dog which he watches, which he looks, nobody could have seen. He feels very happy. He goes on cloud 9. What he does, this quality he thinks of showing to his friend. So what he does, he calls his friend. His friend also comes, and what does friend do? Instead watching the quality, the friend asks the dog to fetch some fishes from the river. Dog walks on the water, fetches some fishes. Friend takes all fishes. While going on the way, that dog owner asks the friend, haven't you seen any quality, haven't you seen anything different in my dog? And what friend says, yes, I have seen. Friend says, yes, I have seen. Dog's owner asks, what have you seen? Friend says, your dog can't swim. Are you getting? It means the friend has the negative attitude. He can't see the positivity in that dog. But dog's owner has the positive attitude, so he can see lots of positive things in that dog, and he can make the most out of that dog. Some people say make the most out of it. How? Because they find positive waves in that. And attitude is everything. It is said. So if really you want to upgrade in your life and you don't know how to do that task, it means you are lacking the skills. And you can polish these skills while learning. Skills can be learned by you with ease. But some people who say they don't know how to do this task and they don't want to learn. This is their attitude, but negative attitude. It means they don't want to give their time for learning. Those people who say, yes, we want to learn, this is the skill, we are lacking this skill, we are lagging behind. They 100% learn the skill and they say they can do this task, because this is the attitude. So in your life, whenever you miss something, you are lacking any skill, so you can learn and you can improve, you can upgrade yourself, because attitude is everything. Thank you guys. Thanks for listening to me. My name is Jitendra Gangwani. If you have liked this video, do subscribe to my channel. Have a nice time ahead.